Something's really beginning to bug me at the minute. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the background, so I'm just going to be quiet for a couple of seconds, and you'll kind of understand why I'm getting annoyed. So yeah, I'm going to be quiet for a sec. Yeah, I'm not sure if you could actually pick it up, but there's like a beeping noise going on outside, like it's a car alarm or a house alarm or something. I mean, I know it's only like 7:30, 8 o'clock at night whilst I'm recording this, but if this carries on when I'm going to bed, in 4 hours' time or whatever, I am going to be pissed off because that motherfucker is going to keep me awake all fucking night. You better not be on.